Actually, you caused it.
No, Eniola.
I'm embarrassed. This is serious. This is lamentable. This is problematic.
For the last time I ever pay phone me more. I don't want to have anything to do with you again.
Will it be future wife me ma?
That's what she saw. I hear about your phone to say. You mo le jati. Wo go diga yi. Mo sọ pé ó ti lọ gba o tó máa value le, ó ti surprise le fún ẹ. Ó wá fẹ́ gbé rẹ̀ sínú ọlá. You don't look like it. You're a fool. It's my life and I want to live it the way I want. Are you mad?
I will disown you as my daughter.
I also disown you as a father. Sister mi.
Wọ́n ṣépè fún ẹ náà. Ṣé ọ́fíìsì ẹ ni? Ó rí mi ní bí èmi fine boy tí mo ti mọ àwọn èèyàn tí mo di dọ́là mi lé mọ̀. Ó rí bí mo ṣe ń clean ní jẹ́sí ni mo dẹ̀ ń wọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni lọ. Agent àwọn dwarf.
It can't work for God's sake.
Just have it at the back of your mind. I can make you stop working here.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You shut up!
Mo ṣe ìlérí fún ẹ lénìí. Mi ò lè ever die.
O ṣọ́ pé gbogbo ìlérí tó ń ta fún mi lẹ́nu wà á mú ṣe.
Mi ò lè ever die.
O rí pé great ni wọ́n bọ̀bọ̀ yìí. I made you what you had today. Yinka, I condemn you.
Wèrè ọmọ rẹ yóò gbajúmọ̀ ju òṣùpá àti ìràwọ̀ àtòrùn lọ.
Gbẹ̀dá yín lápò èdè bọ́lẹ̀ ní mọ́tò, pààrọ̀ tẹ̀ kọ́kùn fàṣẹ àwọn ọlọ́run. Wáyà.